I thought I'd make her my orphan godchild.
Well, I have a different plan. I'd like you to bring her home.
No. I won't be the county failure. Poor demented Lady Edith who lost her virtue and her reason.
Just listen to my plan. The Drews would reach a reluctant conclusion that they can't afford to raise their friend's child. You've grown so fond of the girl, you ask if she might join the others in the Downton nursery.
Well, that's that then.
Do you know, when you brought up that basket, I was so proud of you, I felt like crying out. If you were my own daughter, I couldn't be prouder than I am now.
Did he force himself on you? Well, we can talk about that later. Now, we must decide what to do for the best.
There's only one thing we can do.
I couldn't. It's not possible. If you don't, we will figure out a scandal of such magnitude it will never be forgotten until long after we're both dead. I'll be ruined, Mamma. Ruined and notorious. A laughingstock, a social pariah. Is that what you want for your eldest daughter? Is it what you want for the family?
We must cover him up. Hurry, the servants will be up soon. We've got time.
Mama! Mama!
You are being tested. And do you know what they say, my darling? Being tested only makes you stronger.
I don't think it's working with me.
I'm going away.
I didn't know that.
No, well, I haven't told anybody.
I don't understand.
You don't have to. But when they get back, tell them my mind was made up. And I wasn't hysterical or anything. And give them my love.
Oh, God, Edith. Won't you wait and talk to them about it?